Hello, my name is Tatiana Damjanovic and I'm going to walk you through Stretch Mark Camouflage treatment step by step. Stretch Mark Camouflage covers stretch marks, scars, C-section scars, self-inflicted injuries to make them appear less noticeable. By applying the closest tone to the client's skin, we help with discoloration of the stretch marks and scars. The treatment can be performed only by a certified therapist and all hygiene conditions must meet the standards. Okay, let's start. I already prepared the treatment room for my client. The room is warm with lots of natural lighting. I always have at least one light directed to the treated area to prevent the wrong selection of the pigment. Usually I wear my 22 Institute uniform and I always put on the disposable arm sleeves. When you shake the pigment, it can drip out of the container, so I protect myself with the sleeves. The sleeves are also recommendable because of the sanitary reasons. The mask and gloves are a must with every treatment. The next thing I prepare is all the pigments, pigment rings, cotton pads, cartridges, the device on my station so I can do the treatment with no distractions. When I welcome the client, I explain the procedure, how long it will take, and direct her on the cosmetic bed, which is covered with disposable paper. I always take a picture of the treated area so I can compare the results later. Keep in mind that the most important thing for the client is to make her feel comfortable. When the client lays down and I have prepared myself, I start with the tone selection. I take my 22 shade finder and select the right tone. Based on the size of the treated area, I also select the right needle. I have two options, a narrower and a wider needle. If the stretch marks are small, I select the narrow needle and vice versa for bigger stretch marks or scars. When I apply the first coating, I observe how the skin is reacting. This is a very important step. Before I start coating the whole area, I pick a small test area. Then I observe. If the pigment is too dark, I applied too much pressure. If the drawn line is thinner than the stretch mark, I applied too little pressure and consequently didn't go deep enough. I set my device to the right speed. The speed must be just right, so I set it to speed 2 out of 6. When I'm 100% confident, I start with the treatment. Number of coatings depends on the treated area and the condition of the stretch marks. Some areas will need more coatings than others. Usually, I do around 2 coatings per session. I'm gently moving the device and inserting the pigment with the right depth. We can instantly see the reaction to camouflage. Skin raises and turns red. This is normal. Skin will completely heal in the next 28 days. The right color of the camouflaged area will also be seen after 28 days because the skin will go through several healing phases before the right color shows. Treatment can take up to an hour and a half depending on the size we are treating. Full belly area would take an hour for an experienced therapist. Smaller sizes like appendix scar would take me 15 minutes to cover. When I finish, I take 22 Camouflage Finisher, which is an innovative product. Thanks to its viscosity, it blends with the camouflage and gives the powdery look. Camouflage will look watercolored and natural after you apply the finisher. It can also be used for powder brows, so I like to call it 2-in-1 product. I really recommend it. Once the finisher is on, I wait 2 minutes so the finisher soaks into the skin and we are done. I explain the healing phases and how the fresh camouflage should be treated while healing. The client can return to work the same day as this is a non-invasive treatment. So how do my clients describe the treatment?
Meu nome é Marcela, eu sou do Brasil, vivo na Eslovênia e eu estou aqui no Instituto 22 para fazer esse tratamento sobre estrias. Eles estão sendo os primeiros aqui a surgir com isso e eu realmente estou bem satisfeita. Eu acho que essa foi a primeira sessão, a gente vai esperar para ver como é que vai funcionar. E também tem outras áreas, hoje nós fizemos na lateral e depois vamos fazer na barriga, então acredito que mais algumas sessões. Com certeza, para nós mulheres, as estrias sempre foram uma coisa que incomodam, então eu realmente recomendo isso. Eu não iria dizer que não é doloroso, mas é algo que a gente pode segurar a onda. Eu diria 2 ou 3. Ela foi muito legal, me explicou antes o que a gente ia estar fazendo, como funciona, quantas sessões, então eu realmente recomendo.
So what do you think about Stretch Mark Camouflage? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!